Hey, hi everyone. Doing some spring cleaning here. Basically, I am trying to preserve some of the work I've done in the past by creating YouTube videos of them, so I don't have to. Um, so non-technical people who look up on my GitHub don't have to worry about making sense of all the different programming files that are there. This site was so long ago. This is maybe around 2014, 2015, I think. And this was when I was really focused on trying to create games for students in China. And yeah, I suppose I just kind of tried to brainstorm what I think would have been nice games for me to play in the classroom. I think, of course, they're very rudimentary. So I'm not claiming that it's the best graphics or animations and so on, but I think for teachers in a classroom, especially with these smart boards, these would have been cool for the kids. The front end is just, some basic introduction. Let me see, what was the concept here? Ba-ba-bum. Okay, yeah. I don't even know what I don't even know what the business angle was. So one of the games was Fruit Game, which is basically very much like Fruit Ninja, except there's an audio prompt for the user to hear, and once they hear that vocabulary word they hadn't heard before, they swipe. I just noticed there was a pretty substantial bug.
Fair,
It said pear. I couldn't swipe
orange,
anything other than the approved answer.
mango,
So you see, I can. Oh, okay.
mango,
Yeah, it's like I can swipe banana, but nonetheless,
mango,
I built this,
fair,
repurposing some code online, and
fair,
this would have been a really good game for my kids at when I was in
grapes,
China. Ah, haha.
orange,
I didn't do anything to
melon,
vary the speeds, but
orange,
you can go. You can, as you can see, you can do so much.
banana,
You can do so much with a concept like that in terms of making fun games for kids. Then we have the times tables game, which is a multiplication game for young kids. Let's say 5 to 8 years old, maybe when they start learning their times tables, and especially Chinese kids, they would love this. And they have to read the words as opposed to see the numbers. So here we go. 3 times 4, 12. 6 times 5, 30. And you basically try to do as many of these as you can in the remaining time. So let me see, what score could I get? Ah, okay. So top score is 60, and I could see myself having kids come through one by one and trying to get the highest score, who could read those numbers in English and do the multiplication fastest. So yeah, so it's a pretty simple site. I can't even remember where I stored the code for this. I think I have this on my GitHub. I believe so. Yeah, so this will be one of my repos. Yeah, English Games website. So you can look this one up, and this is where I have the write up. Yeah, so that's it.